Warming up your car in the winter actually helps.
Oh yes, it gets everything up to operating temperature and all your fluids warm and able to lubricate properly. And it makes it nice and warm for you when you get in there.
Will switching to synthetic oil cause leaks in older cars?
No, you can switch back and forth as much as you want.
Is red coolant the same as green coolant?
No, there's multiple different kinds of coolants. Definitely check with your owner's manual to determine which one you need.
What happens if you mix up?
They can coagulate and actually become somewhat solid and block up your heater core and radiator.
Do you really need to replace all 4 tires at the same time?
If it's a 2-wheel drive vehicle, no. If it's a 4-wheel drive vehicle, yes, because it causes stress on the drivetrain.
Does using the AC hurt your gas mileage a lot?
Not a lot, but it is going to affect it because it's more drain on the engine, but obviously you want to stay comfortable.
Is it bad to rest your hand on the gear shifter?
On an automatic transmission, no, but on a manual transmission, yes, because it causes damage to the synchros.
Do electric cars actually require no maintenance?
No, you're still going to have brake pads and other maintenance items on there. There is a lot of coolant in there, so those need to be changed out at certain intervals.
Is it true that brake fluid never needs changing?
No, brake fluid can break down over time and it actually absorbs water over time, which can create problems from the inside out. We recommend flushing it every 30,000 miles.
Is just adding more oil just as good as getting an oil change?
No, obviously there's a reason that you're needing to add oil, whether it's consuming it or leaking it. Definitely need to get those fixed and change oil.
Are you able to diagnose a vehicle by just plugging it in?
No, the computer will tell us what the code is, and there's a multi-step procedure that we have to go through, testing all the wiring and the components to determine what has failed.
Does premium fuel clean your engine better than regular?
No, it's all about the same. They all have detergents in there. Depending on what your manufacturer recommends for your vehicle is what you should go with.
What's the most interesting repair you had come in here?
We get a lot of vehicles from other shops that, once again, they plug their computer in and say it needs an O2 sensor because it has an O2 sensor code, and we find a little piece of green wire and replace that and get the customer back on the road with no parts replaced.